Wyoming Cowboy. Well, we're over here in Nebraska, and as you can see on the side of the road over here, I hope you guys can see it there, we're giving Nebraska some of that Wyoming ice that we got yesterday going across Wyoming. And, well, we're just about by North Platte. And, there's a set of scales up here at North Platte. And the road's rough. And, we have the scales open up here. Now, yep, the light's flashing there, the yellow one there, so I think the scale's open there. But you can see some of the ice on the chunks there on the side of the road over here in the shoulder. And I had a bunch on there too there, but I knocked a bunch of it off there. The truck stopped there in the parking lot. Give them some more moisture on the ground. And, you don't see any really chunks there on the highway here. Everything's on the shoulder, which is good. Well, let's see if we get the green light. Well, the scale's open. And they got signs up here to give you the bypass lane if you're okay there too. And you can see on the side there, truck okay to bypass. Truck okay to bypass. Three pads shut off. Now there it goes off. Finally got the green light on that there too. So we're good to go. Looks like there's a bunch of trucks in there though. And they're all lined up there, yep. There's quite a few in there waiting to get weighed. But we're good to go there, so there's some more ice chunks on the side of the road there too there, so they're all backed up big time. And there ain't no bypass lane. Gotta weigh everybody. So this takes a little bit of time consuming there. But happy trails, be safe, bye.